All right, let's get started. So, what I'm about to show you is how to copy course content from one course to another. So that means that you're taking course content from a source course and placing that into a destination course. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to show you how to do this really quickly within Moodle. So let's get started. So this is the project space that we are going to work within for copying course content from one course to another. You can see here within this project space that I have a lot of course content, and so what I want to do is take all the information that I have here. That means activities, resources, all the Moodle content within this Moodle project space, and place it into my destination course space, which would be this course in this tab here. Alright, so let's go back to this tab. So what I would do is I would navigate over to the administration block, click on backup, and so you're presented with this backup settings page, right? So what you want to do is leave everything as is in the first step. So we have a couple steps here that we have to go through, but for this part, the step one, the initial settings page, leave everything as is. And then click on next. Alright, so on this page, this is a schema settings page. All this page is that you're selecting what content you want to copy from your source course into your destination course. So you can see here that there are a couple different check marks that have already been selected for you. So by default, Moodle will select everything. If you look over here in the select section, you have a couple options here. You can select all, and that will select everything here within this page. That means all the Moodle items, including activities and resources. Or you can select none, and that will deselect everything within this Moodle course. That means activities and resources within this course space or this project space. So once more, all, and that will select everything here. And then what you'll see is when I click on none, nothing will be selected. Now, let's say that you don't want to copy everything within this course. So if you only want to copy certain items, right, certain resources or certain activities, this is what you need to do. You need to click on the checkbox next to the topic heading, right? So in this case, this is the topic heading called General, and then you select the resource or activity that you want to move over to your destination course. Okay? Because what's going to happen is if you don't do that, you will not be able to select any of the items here. Right? So once again, make sure you click on the topic name or the topic number first, and then select the activity or the resource. Alright? So in this scenario, all I'm going to do is select all and go ahead and click next. Alright, so the other thing to notice is that there's already a file name here, so Moodle creates a file name here for you. You don't have to change it if you don't want to. You do have the option to change the backup file name if you so choose, but I always recommend people just leave the name that Moodle comes up with for the backup file. Alright. So then all we do is we click on Perform Backup. The backup file was successfully created, so click on Continue. And so this is our backup file. So all your backup files are going to be located in the user private backup area. Right? So whenever you get to this page, just look at the user private backup area, and you'll see your Moodle backup file. So in this scenario, what we're going to do is we're just going to click on download. We're going to save this in our downloads folder, and then we're going to go to our destination course, right? The course space where we want to bring over all the content. Right? So this is our destination course. It's a blank space. All right. So what you want to do is you want to click on restore. And here, this is where you're going to import the backup file that we had just created in our source course. So click on choose a file, click on browse. Remember, this was in our downloads folder. Upload this file. So you have the option of either going through this choose a file button, right, that takes you to the file picker, or what you can do is you can just click and drag or drag and drop right into this window area here. All right. So the next thing we do is we click on restore. All right. So we can just leave everything like this. We don't have to worry about this. And then just click continue. Right. So this is important. There are 3 different sections or ways to restore a backup. So you see here, or notice here, you can restore as a new course, right? Restore as a new course. You can restore into this course. That means the destination course that we are currently in, or you can restore into an existing course. So what we are going to do in this scenario is we are going to restore into this course, and we are going to select merge the backup course into this course. That means that whatever is in that course right now, Moodle is just going to add on from the backup file to whatever is in that course. Okay. And then you also do have the option here to just delete everything that is within your destination course and replace it with the content that you're about to restore into your destination course. But in this scenario, what we are going to do is we're going to click on merge the backup course into this course. All right, so we can just click on next here. All right, and just click on next also. And then click on perform restore. Look how fast that progress bar is. All right, so click on continue. Notice here the information that it presents to you. This course was successfully restored. Click on the continue button below and it will take you to the view of the course you restored. And voila! So now we have an exact copy of the source course in this course, which is our destination course. So that is how you copy course content from one course into another.